You know what the fastest way to get a text from someone is? It's not sending them good energy. It's not hoping and wishing. And it's definitely not checking your phone every 30 seconds like it's going to make them appear. The fastest way is to do something that feels completely backwards. Something that makes no logical sense, but it works. Almost every single time. Hi, I'm Amanda Hicks. I help people create real connection with the people they love. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get that text. Not in days, not in weeks, hours, sometimes minutes. I know that sounds too good to be true. But stick with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to understand why you haven't heard from them yet. And more importantly, you're going to know exactly how to fix it. But before we dive in, I need to ask you something important. When you picture them texting you, what's the first thing you imagine them saying? Like the very first words? Type it in the comments. Just the first thing that comes to mind. Because that desire you're holding on to, that's actually the key to making this work. And we're about to use it. Look, I get it. You've been checking your phone constantly. Every notification makes your heart jump, thinking maybe this time it's them. And then it's not. And that disappointment, it chips away at you, doesn't it? Here's what most people don't understand. Every time you check your phone desperately hoping for their name to appear, you're actually pushing the text further away. I know that sounds harsh. But stay with me. Everything is energy. And I don't mean that in some vague spiritual way. I mean literally. Your phone is energy. The text is energy. You are energy. All vibrating at different frequencies. And the energy you're putting out right now, it's the energy of not having, of waiting, of hoping, of needing. And that energy doesn't attract what you want. It repels it. But when you shift your energy to match the feeling of already having what you want, that's when the text comes. That's when everything changes. Now, I know your mind is probably going 1,000,000 miles an hour right now. I hope this works. What if it doesn't? Maybe they don't even like me. Is this even real? That noise in your head? That's resistance. And before we can get you that text, we need to quiet it down. We need to clear the static so there's room for what you actually want to come through. And then we're going to do something powerful. We're going to put you into the exact feeling state of receiving that text. Not hoping for it, not wishing for it, actually experiencing it before it happens. And that's when your phone lights up. That's when their name appears. That's when you realize you had the power to create this all along. All right, first things first. We need to calm that racing mind of yours. Your brain is processing 11 million bits of information every single second. Thoughts about them, thoughts about yourself, thoughts about what you need to do later, what you're going to eat for dinner, random memories from 5 years ago. All of that creates noise, and that noise blocks what you're trying to create. So we're going to do a simple breathing exercise, and I want you to actually do this with me. Don't just listen. Participate. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes if you can. We're going to breathe in for 6 seconds. Hold for 2 and out for 8. Ready? Let's go. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2 and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. In. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. In. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Feel that? That slight shift? That quietness? That's the space where the magic happens. That's where you have room to create what you want. Now, here's where it gets powerful. I want you to grab your phone, hold it in your hand, and I want you to close your eyes again, really close them, and follow my voice. Picture your phone screen lighting up right now. See it glow, hear the notification sound. that specific sound you know so well, and when you look at the screen you see their name, right there, exactly like you've been hoping for. Feel what that does to your chest, that little jump, that relief, that excitement. Now imagine opening the message. See the words. Read them. Whatever you've been wanting them to say, see it right there in front of you. And feel what that feels like. Not imagine what it would feel like. Actually feel it. Right now, like it's happening in this moment. Your heart beating a little faster. That smile spreading across your face without you even meaning to. That warmth in your chest that says, they do care. They did reach out. I was right to hold on. Now take it further. Imagine typing a response. What would you say back? See yourself typing it. Feel the ease of it, the natural flow of conversation between you two. This feels good. This feels right. This feels real. Because it is real. In this moment, it's happening. You're experiencing it. Your body doesn't know the difference between vividly imagining something and actually experiencing it. So right now, you are receiving that text. You are having that conversation. You are getting what you want. Stay here for a moment. Let this feeling sink all the way in. Let it become your reality. Good. Now we're going to do something even more powerful. I want you to think about something that connects you to them. A photo you have. A gift they gave you. Even just their name written down on a piece of paper. If you don't have anything like that nearby, your phone works, because your phone is already connected to them through your conversations. Hold that object in your hands, or hold your phone. Close your eyes again, and picture them. See their face as clearly as you can. Now here's what we're doing. We're going to send them a thought, not a wish, not a hope, an actual thought that they're going to receive. And that thought is, I have a burning desire to text your name. Feel that thought. Don't just think it. Feel it as if it's coming from them, as if you can sense their desire to reach out to you building right now. Say it out loud if you can. I have a burning desire to text your name. Feel the pull they're experiencing toward you. Feel their resistance breaking down. Feel them picking up their phone because they can't help it anymore. You're not forcing anything. You're just reminding them of what they already feel, amplifying what's already there. Now take 3 deep breaths, and with each breath, feel that thought traveling from you to them. Feel them receiving it. Feel them acting on it. In and out. In and out. In and out. Open your eyes. Now comes the part that most people mess up, and it's the most important part. You need to put your phone down and walk away. I know that's the opposite of what you want to do. You want to keep checking. You want to see if it worked. But here's the thing. Checking your phone every 5 seconds sends out the energy of, I don't have it yet. I'm still waiting. I'm still hoping. And that energy cancels out everything you just did. You have to trust. You have to detach from the outcome. You have to move on with your day, knowing it's already done. Because it is. The moment you felt that feeling of receiving the text, you created it. Now reality just needs to catch up. So go about your day. Make dinner. Watch a show. Talk to a friend. Do something that has nothing to do with them. And at some point, you're going to feel this urge. This little pull to check your phone. Not the desperate, anxious checking, a calm knowing. When you feel that, check your phone, and I bet you anything, you'll see their name on your screen. Now, different people get different timing. Some people get the text within an hour, some within a few hours, some the next day. It depends on how well you did the visualization, how deeply you felt it, how completely you detached afterward. But if you did everything I just walked you through, if you really committed to it, you will get that text. And when you do, you're going to realize something powerful. You created that, not the universe, not fate, you, by shifting your energy, by feeling it before it happened, by trusting instead of forcing. That's the power you have. And once you realize you can do this with a text, you start to understand you can do this with anything. If this just clicked for you, if you feel different than you did 10 minutes ago, hit that like button. It tells me you're ready to start creating what you want instead of waiting for it. And subscribe if you haven't already, because when they text you, and they will, you're going to want to come back and share your story. And you're going to want the next technique I drop. Turn on notifications so you're first to know when it goes live. And I have a membership where I teach these techniques in way more depth, where we work on removing the blocks that have been keeping you stuck, where you get personalized guidance and support. Honestly, if you're serious about this and you don't join, you're just making everything harder on yourself. The link is in the description. Join today and get immediate access to everything. And when they text, come back here and let me know. I want to hear about it. I'll be celebrating with you. You just did something most people never do. You stopped hoping and started creating. You shifted your energy. You felt what you wanted before you had it. You sent that thought directly to them, and you trusted enough to let go. That's powerful. That's how you create real change. So go about your day, trust the process, and get ready to see their name on your screen, because it's coming. And when it does, you'll know exactly why. I'll see you in the next video.